Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you save a route on Google Maps. So at first just go to your Google Maps app. Now just select a location and here you can see the save icon here, the third option. Click on it. Now you can just save it to any of these 5 options here, or you can just select it to your new list in the top. Just select a location just like this. You can also add a note about this place and click the top right done. And that's how you can save a route on Google Maps. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.